Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a fuel filter change on the 2016 GMC Canyon. This is the Duramax diesel version, and this will be the same thing for the Chevy Colorado 2016 Plus, GMC Canyon 2016 Plus Duramax diesel. So first we'll go over all the stuff we'll need. We're going to need tons of towels, shop towels, rags, whatever you got. There's going to be a lot of fuel draining out. Bucket to catch all the fuel. You're definitely going to need one of those. We've got the actual fuel filters. There's two of them. The part number you can see here, TP1007 from AC Delco. That's OEM. I got those off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for that. And then 27 millimeter socket. Got the 1/2 inch ratchet and then some channel locks for the bleeder screw. So let's get into it. All right, so we are right under the driver's side door and right inside the frame rail here. We've got the two filters. Both of them are 27 millimeter, and then this right here, the yellow one, is a bleeder screw. So we're gonna get the bucket under there. Can't break it loose with my hand, so grab the channel locks. There we go. So while this is draining out, I'll take the time to say, hey, please drop a like and comment on the video. Let me know if you have any suggestions for next time or any videos that you guys want to see. But make sure you please like the video. It helps me out a lot. And then, like I say, comment anything you guys have. Those really don't look too bad. Go ahead and put that old fuel filter in one of the bags that I got my new fuel filters in. I'll keep it just like that. Put that drip in there. Get another bag for that old one. Alright, so I got a little old oil here. I dumped way too much on my finger, but we'll just get it on the O-ring for both filters. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I just got done with a video walking through how to do the oil change on this 2.8 liter Duramax. So if you guys are looking for a how-to video on that, check it out. I'll throw a link in there. Alright, so back one in here first. Kind of like pops in, and then you can start hand threading it. And once it stops, we'll get the other one going. Put the bleeder screw back in. Just hand tighten that until it stops, then kind of tighten it down a little bit. We don't want to use more than a hand for that though, just because we don't want to break anything. On these, supposed to go to 20 Newton meters. I do not have a torque wrench on me, but I'm going to get one and fix this later. You'll kind of feel it get tight, and a little bit more, and it should be fine. You don't want to over tighten these. Perfect. Wipe up all the old excess fuel that dripped everywhere. All right, now we will prime the filter and reset the fuel filter life. All right, so let's get in here. Turn it to the on position. And you can probably hear that whining sound out here. The fuel filter is priming itself, or the fuel pump is priming the filters. You can still hear it. Oh boy. Seeing some fuel dripping down here. I'm gonna have to check on that. Alright, so my bleeder screw is dripping still. So let's figure out what's going on. Alright, so what I'm having to do is re-drain the fuel from the bleeder screw and try to see why it's leaking. I might have to check the O-ring, possibly replace it, or maybe I'll clean it all up and put a little oil around it, maybe for a better seal. We'll try that. Alright, we got it. It looks like if I tighten it all the way, then it seems to drip. If I back it out a little bit, then it's okay. So I'm going to do that. And we'll try to prime the pump again. Yeah, you can hear it whining. Not seeing any more fuel dripping like it was last time. Alright, sounded like it stopped. Alright, I'm going to click it off there. Took the key out. Give it a second. And try it again. Look, I don't hear it kick on this time. Alright, so I've got the key in the on position. I'm going to go through until we get to the fuel filter. Okay, 50%. Click the right arrow. Click and hold reset. And it went to 100. So that should be all set. Now we can just start it. Alright, so you guys may be wondering why I am changing the fuel filters when it said 50% left. That's because I bought the truck a few months ago and it was from a dealership, and I think that they had said it had been done, and obviously, you know, it showed 50% still, but when I buy something new, I feel like I want to do it early so that I have peace of mind. I should have done it right when I got it, but like I say, it's been a few months. Everything had been fine, and when I took the filters out, they actually looked pretty good. So I probably could have gone a lot longer, but now I have peace of mind. I know they're new. All right, we're going to go for a bit of a drive. So the reason I'm wanting to go for a little bit of a drive is because the fuel pump was whining pretty loud after doing the change. So I did a couple Google searches, and it sounds like that's normal for a little bit, maybe the first drive afterwards, just while the pump is trying to reprime that filter housing. I guess there's a lot of fuel that it holds in there, which you saw it drained out a lot too. This truck is really cool. If you guys are thinking about getting a mini diesel, I recommend it. The fuel economy is incredible, and they're actually very capable for what they can do. It has all the characteristics of a 3/4 ton diesel, which is amazing for towing and everything. The exhaust brake. Pretty cool machine. All right, hey guys, thanks again for watching another one. If you want to see more content like this, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think of content that I've already put out there. I'd love to put up more of these videos. Anything you can think of on the Chevy Malibu. This is a 2014, the 2016 GMC, and then I also have a BMW 335 Xi. So if you want to see anything on all three of those, let me know what you've got, what you want to see. I just did an oil change on the BMW, so I probably won't be doing that for a while, but let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks. We'll talk to you next time.